But first at 6, surging new coronavirus numbers just into the KENS 5 newsroom. Here in Bexar County, more than 11,000 new cases have been reported in 2022, just 3 days in. Today's total is 3,894. New cases have totaled at least 3,700 every day in this new year. New cases top 3,000 only one day in all of 2021. This chart puts the numbers into perspective. On the far right, you see that huge spike over the past 3 days. You can see how much higher it is than anything we saw last year. And there's a big jump in hospitalizations to report tonight. More than 500 COVID patients are in the hospital now. That is the highest level we've seen since early October. And for context, 352 COVID patients were in the hospital last Thursday. With school back in session today, hundreds of school staff in San Antonio did not return to work. Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs shares how a couple districts are responding to the surge and what some teachers believe must be done.
Today, what we know is that we have right under 1,300 staff members who are out, who have called in for some reason. Some of those, no doubt, could be COVID-related absences.
Northside ISD spokesman Barry Perez says more than 900 of the absences require a substitute teacher. Today, the district has a 58% fill rate compared to an 80% sub-fill rate on an average day.
Whether it's other individual teachers from that campus, whether it's combining classrooms, there are many things that campuses can do to make sure that the students at those classes are indeed covered.
The Northside ISD Teachers Union calling on district leadership to consider a temporary mask mandate with rising coronavirus cases.
While encouraging masking is, can somewhat be commended, a mandate is really going to be where we're going to see that mitigation strategy is being utilized with fidelity.
Melina Espiritu Azocar says the biggest concern from union members is filling those absences with quality subs.
Because then their classes become larger, it becomes harder to ensure that there's spacing between students. And without a mask mandate in place, some students have masks and some students don't.
Northeast ISD also resumed in-person learning with about 700 absent staff, some of which are from vacant positions. The district's Aubrey Micah Chancellor says it's all hands on deck to help out. And during a time where COVID tests can be hard to come by, NEISD is prepared.
Our health services department was very forward thinking. They ordered hundreds of thousands of tests months and months ago. So we're looking good on our supply. And of course, as you can imagine, there are many, many people who have been coming every day in order to get tested.
Zach Briggs, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.